Hey, Daniel Parsons, it's the 16th of June, 2022. I've got an update about the iNetwork, which is the marketing arm of Price International, and how to top up your register wallet so that you can enroll new customers that are wanting to buy iTeraCare Classic, iTeraCare Premium, or iTeraCare Pro. In Europe, you can get a hold of me for free on this Telegram app. And the web address right here is simply, if you typed in a browser, t.me / and then Daniel Parsons. I'm at Daniel Parsons. And reach out to me, just send me a message, iTeraCare, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. And also, I want to show you now the process. Normally, we would go into our iNetwork back office and we would sign in. But everybody that signed in today, 16th of June, since the server updated in Malaysia at midnight Malaysia time, has been noticing that right now, the temporary closed our referral links and our top-up links. I don't know how long that's going to be. So this is how you can use PayPal to do the same thing. And so on my home screen, which the menu on the bottom, I'm doing a circle around the home screen, bottom left. Right here, if you scroll down, this was how we were doing the top up link right here is the first one in case you needed to top up your account for, let's say, paying shipping. If you were selling a device to somebody in Canada, it requires $35 more and you would have to top up the stockist account. And I can show you how to do that also. All things iNetwork, I can show you how to do it. And then, of course, our referral link was the bottom one right here that says referral link. And before yesterday we were able to use this. We would copy it, paste it in a browser, and then the sign up form registering the new customer was there, but it's not there today. So now we need to do this with PayPal. So I'm going to go to navigate because I'm going to need to come back up to this page. But right now, I want to show you the process to get your PayPal. And you're going to need to send the $499 for your new customer to Price International. And so we're going to go right here and screen share. And there you see it. So on paypal.com, the at iNetwork to you, and I want to stay logged in. So this is the iNetwork to you is the Price International PayPal account. So for a classic blower, you're going to type in here $499. And what you want to do in this remark field right here is you want to put, I've written customer in Europe, but you want to put the person's name. And then I would put your username after your customer's name. And then that way it's noted on your receipt. Then you're going to hit continue. And then it'll request you to pay. And then what's going to happen is once you've paid, let me go off of screen share, in your receipt, you want to go and do what's known as control, or it's a screenshot. And so I've already done one. So I topped up my register wallet and I created this screenshot. On my keyboard in the United States of America, an English keyboard, up on the top menu is a PRT space SC, and that's the same thing as print the screen. And so it makes a small JPEG image, I think, or it's actually a PNG image. And so that image right there is what I'll need to load up into the iNetwork. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you when you go into the iNetwork now, you want to scroll down, you hit the navigate button in your iNetwork back office. And down here, it's kind of an orange color underneath the maintenance blue link is top up your register wallet. Click there. Now, let's go upload that image in here. And I did that right there. And then I'm going to put $499 because that's how much the classic blower is in Europe. And you want to put cash right there as the method. And then you want to hit security password and put your security password, hit submit. And then you're going to get a top up register success. And then you're going to go and you'll see top up register wallet listing, which is the very next link. And just click on that. And you see right here that I did this one earlier in the day as a cash top up. And I'm waiting for the status. The receipt is in there. Okay. There it is right there. And so I'm waiting on Asia to wake up and start approving so I can go and register my new people. Okay. So I am also going to show you that I am in the process right now of updating the page at parsonsmarketing.net for Europe. And I'm going to show you that right now. And so let me go here and do a screen share. And my phone's going, but so at parsonsmarketing.net in the main menu is iTeraCare Europe. That's it for this video update. Bye for now.